There you go. We got the chat going right here. Thanks for joining us today. How's your day going, man?
Man, my day great, man. How your day going?
Good, great. Awesome. Excited to have you sit with us here and open up maybe some cards. Help us open up some cards.
Let's try that, man. Let's see what we can do.
All right. I'm getting the camera right in front of you.
Make it do what we do.
All right. And then this box right here, this particular break, we're doing a Contenders draft. It's going to have all you guys in the collegiate uni still.
Okay.
But there should be 6 autos a box here. Let me give you a box cutter right there.
What I didn't tell you is that when you're done, you have to pass walk in for a case of National Treasures football. If you
Okay.
stop, you get it.
I like my eyes on that one. I like my chances.
I got trucked in high school and it didn't feel good, so.
You got your charger on you?
Oh yeah. Let me get the charger there. How'd you do on the toss, man?
Nah, I think I won. I came out here with a little attitude today because I saw my Madden rating and my throwing accuracy was a 6. So I just came out here to try to prove myself.
Oh wait, your throw accuracy in the Madden is a 6?
It was a 6, bro. How crazy is that?
Hey, I beat him with that.
What is your best stat on Madden?
My best stat on Madden would be my dang, I forgot. See, I forget the positive stuff and remember the negative stuff. So I'm always staying humble, so I know I got something to work on. You know what I mean?
All right, let's get a side camera on you too.
Oh my God!
So the auto is always going to be in the middle of the pack.
I got a signed Harrison Phillips card.
Harrison Phillips, there you go. We just got him too, Harrison Phillips. I'll get to grab those. I'll get the trash too.
My man Jay Sam, Jalen Samuels, the best player in NC State history. I'm not lying.
There you go. Yeah, you can show it on that camera too as well.
Best player in NC State history right here. Most versatile. That's my boy. John Kelly, Alvin Kamara, D. Watt, Jeremy Shockey, Andrew Luck, Colt McCoy. You remember Colt McCoy? That's crazy. Patrick Holmes, Dante Foreman.
All right, got the first pack done there.
I'm trying to find where I'm at.
Oh yeah, let's find you. Actually,
here?
you know what? We actually got you a second ago. Just so you. So everybody that bought into the break got a random player. So let's see where you're at. I just pulled you. There you go. Look at that. Bold ticket number 99.
I think this is probably one of the best signatures out here.
By
Y'all
far.
haven't seen it.
By far.
Go get the Panini Contenders. Try to find this one right here. Boom.
So what do you have to say to your collectors that are your fans that are trying to collect your cards this year?
What I gotta say to them is I appreciate it. The fact that y'all going out there just trying to find a chance to get my card, I feel like that's pretty cool. And
who's that auto there? You passed up the auto. LSU. Who's that?
DJ Chark.
DJ Chark. All right.
Mr.
Cool.
Fast
DJ's
guy.
here today.
Yeah, Mr. Fast guy. He got the fastest 40 at the combine.
Whoa.
I think he did.
DJ Chark on that one.
Dez Bryant.
Desi.
OA shoot.
So let me ask you, man, what are you looking forward to most about playing in the NFL?
I'm looking forward to just being a part of the elite. You know what I mean? I mean the fact that there's the highest level in the sport. I can't wait to compete and see what I can see if I can prove myself out there. So that's the main thing I'm looking forward to, y'all. Competing. Yes, sir.
So the best way, let me show you. The secret, you gotta get it like that, and then kind of put it like that. Pop it
I was
out.
gonna say you can't even open it.
I'll get you that one. Next one. And yeah, the auto's always gonna be in the middle right there. And we got a Darius
Fountain, Colts, Indianapolis. Oh my God.
Darius Fountain on it.
Oh my goodness. It's my cousin. Don't we look alike?
Nick Chubb, Bradley Chubb.
That's what's up. Who else we got in here? Christian, Todd, Marcus Mariota. Who's Red Granger? You know who that is?
Red Granger, super old school. He's like from the early days of football. He was a Bear, I think Chicago Bear player.
Me too.
Super. All right, let me get to this one right here. We got 2 more in this box.
Old ball coach. Amari Cooper. Josie. Got the Josie Jewel. Shout out my boy, man. Not former. Also a Bronco. Go Broncos. There you go.
Yes.
Oh. Man, I'm not in none of these packs, man. I'm gonna open all these boxes until I come.
Oh, we're gonna find you again. And if not, I got a card in here for you.
Oh my goodness.
So what?
J Sam, got your signed card, bro.
You got your card.
There you go.
Appreciate it. So what level did you get to as far as the site? I know like they were giving you guys some incentives to get to. You got the car yesterday?
I got the HOBBYZ, man.
Oh, you got the HOBBYZ?
I got the HOBBYZ. I finished up.
Hey.
Finished up strong. 3,000 signatures ain't nothing to me because it's for y'all. And I love it.
All for the collectors. There you go, Bradley Chubb.
Yes, sir. Man of the people. Khalil Mack in college. That's crazy. He was big back then. He big now. Mr. Beefy.
Yeah, what was that? No.
It's gonna be Deshaun Hand.
Bowl ticket. What was that? Deshaun Hand. Bowl ticket parallel. Number 299 looks like.
I give up.
No left in that box. Let's go. Let's have you do another one. I think we're gonna find you in this one. Oh, we got the box right there.
In a NASCAR race, I told her keep going on the gas.
So have you been out to? Obviously, you've been out to Denver already. How's it over there?
It's amazing. I mean, I haven't really got a chance to see the city and stuff like that yet.
Right.
But the facility and all that is real cool.
But it's like higher up, right? So did it feel different when you touched down in Denver?
Yeah, for sure. It definitely felt different. But it's all good. I found another Khalil Mack. It definitely felt different. Uh-oh, Duke. Yes, sir.
We got that.
My boy Duke Ejiofor. I see you, boy.
Base college tickets. Very nice.
Even though that's Wake Forest, cool.
We got a question on YouTube. What is the meaning of your Instagram handle at Astronaut?
I mean, I'm just taking off, man. I'm out of this world. I'm on the moon right now. You know what I mean? That's just, you don't think too much about it. You know what I'm saying? Just know I'm out of here. Astronaut.
And is that the both for you want to shout out your social again?
Oh yeah, both? Instagram and Twitter at Astronaut. Go follow that. Show love. I like to try to interact with everybody that interacts with me. So if you want to talk, hit me up. And I got Marcus Davenport right here.
Davenport.
The signed card. New Orleans Saints. UTSA.
Did you get a higher score than Lamar?
And Lamar, what was your score in that? In the throwing thing? What was your score? Yeah, mine was like 350. 150. It was like 350. Hey, what up? I don't like to brag, you know what I'm saying? But like I said,
you had to prove that Madden score.
Had to prove Madden wrong. Exactly. They doubted me, so I had to come back strong.
So when you get the game at home, are you gonna boost that up?
I'm gonna boost my throwing accuracy. Yeah,
boost that up.
And I'm gonna put myself at quarterback. Case, I'm sorry, man. I gotta put myself at quarterback.
You play offense and defense. The first guy to do that both, right?
Exactly. Oh,
I think
the Simon was Nick Shimonette. Trained with him out in California this off season.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Is that backwards card anything right there? Or
this one here? I don't know. It's just like school colors.
Yeah. Get that out the way.
Yeah. Pat Mahomes. Get to play him twice a year.
J-Fam says, how hard was it chasing Lamar Jackson?
It's the worst thing ever. Go outside and wherever you live, go outside, find a bunny rabbit, and do your best and try to catch that. And that's equivalent to trying to catch Lamar Jackson. But as you can see, I throw better than him because I got 350. He got 275. Hey, shout out my boy Cortland Sutton. We got the Cortland Sutton. Oh, that's not Cortland. This Trey Quinn actually. Select Sports Group. There we go. Putting on Trey Quinn. I just saw SMU. Assuming it was Cortland. Cortland, you still ugly. Man, I'm nowhere in these, man. I think they took my card out.
Well, we did get you earlier, so.
Yeah, okay, that's a good sign,
Yeah.
man.
If you're here twice, that'd be awesome.
I'm gonna be in this one right here. I'm calling it. You ready? That was it.
Who is that?
Troy from Magali, man. Denver Broncos. I love it, man. There you go. Damn, I thought it was me. Okay. I'm not in this one. Not in this one.
Next one?
But this one, I'm calling it right now. This one I'm gonna be in. If I'm not in this one.
Are you a big Madden player yourself?
Am I a big Madden player? Yeah, I play Madden every now and then. I try not to play as many video games like that though, because I like going out and doing stuff. So, but when I'm home, just relaxing and stuff, I throw the Madden on for sure.
What are some things you like to go out and do on your spare time?
Man, I'm finna buy a camera and go and like out in Denver and just take pictures of stuff, man. I want to get a photography a little bit. So.
Oh, that's what you like doing in your spare time, photography?
Yeah.
Very nice. What do we got here? Hey.
Okay, this one's Cortland. There you go, Cortland. Still ugly. Shout out to Denver Broncos.
Cortland Sutton. On card down that one too.
Well, didn't find myself in 2 packs. But I'm in here somewhere. Can't be too mad.
All right. You do another one for us.
One more?
One more. Let's go. They're saying I think you were asked this the other day on Thursday, but what surprised you about being in the NFL so far?
What surprised me?
Yeah.
The free time, not the free time, but the like the fact that in college everything was like you doing this at this time, go to class here, go da. Now it's just you're a grown man, you can do whatever you want, but you gotta be here for this. But that's about it. And if you're not here, then we're just gonna take money out your pocket. We ain't gonna do nothing. We're just gonna take money out your pocket. So,
I understand that.
Yeah, like that's the biggest surprise to me. I'm getting lucky today, man. I found another Harrison Phillips. There you go. Putting on for the defensive guys.
J-Fam asks, how many sacks are we getting this year?
Man, I don't like to put a number on it just like that. I don't want to disappoint nobody, and I don't want to disappoint myself. So I'm gonna go game by game, and just go into a game and have a goal for that. But ultimately I just want to do whatever it takes to win. You know what I'm saying? If it's getting 30 sacks or if it's getting 1 sack, I mean, as long as my team winning, that's all that matters to me.
Absolutely. And we have
Mike White.
Mike White, who's here as well. There you go, Mike. That's Mike White.
Cortland and Cole.
So you have any other hobbies besides photography?
Any other hobbies? Man, nah, not really. I just be
Do
chilling.
you post your photos anywhere right now?
I said, nah, I'm getting into it. I just take them on my phone right now on some like iPhone 10 thing. But I'm finna get a camera, so when I get that, it's gonna be over with. You can't tell me nothing. But right now, I ain't got nothing on you. Keep you petite.
Thank you.
Sorry. He's from Texas right here. I didn't realize he went to Texas Tech. He right there dancing somewhere. I just saw him.
You saw him dancing?
Yeah. Can't dance for nothing.
They said 1 year, Ndamukong Suh was dancing out in the middle of the field the whole time.
Out here?
Yep. His rookie year.
That's funny. That's what I might have to do today. I'm not having no luck. Ooh. Are we doing all these shows or we just?
Huh?
Are we doing all these?
No, it's just our stream here, and everybody else has their own live stream going. Oh, you mean that you're just doing this basically?
I got you.
We got
Kazir White.
Kazir White. Actually, that's first Kazir.
It is? Hey, you're welcome, man. I picked you out. Man, no luck. No luck.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. There we go. Speaking of Dominican suit. Got him right there.
Oh, yeah. In his college uni.
Who's there? Tavares McFadden. Putting on for the defensive guys. ACC. There you go.
Tavares McFadden. All right. You guys who had Tavares McFadden?
Matt Ryan.
Okay, let's see.
Matt Ryan living life right now.
Matty Ice?
Matty Ice. Jalen Samuels. Jalen. Hey. Dang it!
You saw the logo?
I saw the logo, got excited. It's Jalen again.
Jalen again. Pulling on the Jalens.
You know what that means? The fact that I can't find mine, it's a good thing.
Yeah, rare.
One of one.
It means your fans, you know.
That's what I'm saying. That means you got to go out and buy mine. You know what I'm saying? You got to go actually look for it. So
absolutely,
it's a good thing. I'm not too mad.
All right, Bradley. Let's go ahead and shout out your social one more time. Everybody out there is watching.
At
where they
Astronaut.
At Astronaut. That's Insta
and Twitter.
Yeah, were you already verified or did you just get verified?
I got verified on Instagram about the middle of my senior season at NC State.
Oh, okay.
And verified on Twitter like in about December or January.
Oh, okay, sweet. All right. If you actually, if I got the cards here, if you could sign these we're gonna give them away to people watching and joining the breaks today. You can put whatever you want on there too. Two of them. We weren't able to find you, but I had those on the side.
Put a little rocket ship on the phone.
Hey, Rockets! Cracked ice drought. I know we've had cracked ice so many before. All right, thank you, Bradley. Appreciate you stopping by, man.
No, appreciate you for having me.
Oh yeah, of course, man. And good luck on the year.
Thank you so much.
I'm in my favorite teams in your division, but
the Raiders.
I don't know.
You look like a Raiders guy.
I look like a Raiders guy.
You look like a Raiders guy.
All right, appreciate it, man.
Appreciate it.
Have a good year.
You do the same. Appreciate you, man.
Bradley didn't disappoint, guys. Awesome guy.